Can I buy Vanguard funds through Fidelity? Did you know that as of 2023, Vanguard's total stock market index fund manages approximately $1.6 trillion in assets, making it the largest mutual fund globally? Additionally, Fidelity's 500 index fund has rapidly grown to manage $568 billion, highlighting the intense competition between these investment giants. If you're considering purchasing Vanguard funds through Fidelity, it's essential to understand the nuances involved. Fidelity allows investors to access Vanguard's mutual funds and exchange-traded funds, ETFs. However, purchasing Vanguard mutual funds through Fidelity typically incurs a transaction fee, which, as of recent reports, is around $75 per purchase. This fee can accumulate over time, especially for investors who make regular contributions. In contrast, buying Vanguard ETFs through Fidelity is generally free of transaction fees, making ETFs a more cost-effective option for those looking to invest in Vanguard products via Fidelity's platform. One advantage of purchasing Vanguard funds through Fidelity is the convenience of consolidating your investments within a single brokerage account. Fidelity offers a user-friendly platform with robust research tools, responsive customer service, and a wide array of investment options. This consolidation can simplify portfolio management and provide a comprehensive view of your financial landscape. Additionally, Fidelity's platform is often praised for its superior user experience compared to Vanguard's, which has faced criticism for technical glitches and customer service issues. However, there are notable disadvantages to this approach. The transaction fees associated with purchasing Vanguard mutual funds through Fidelity can erode investment returns over time. Moreover, certain Vanguard mutual funds may not be readily available through Fidelity, potentially limiting your investment choices. It's also worth noting that while Fidelity offers its own suite of mutual funds and ETFs with competitive expense ratios, some investors have observed that Fidelity's total market index funds may incur higher capital gains distributions compared to Vanguard's, which could have tax implications. An alternative strategy is to invest in Fidelity's equivalent mutual funds, or ETFs, which often have comparable performance and lower or no transaction fees. For instance, Fidelity's 500 index fund has an expense ratio as low as 0.015%, making it a cost-effective alternative to Vanguard's offerings. Additionally, Fidelity's platform provides access to a broad range of investment options, including commission-free ETFs, which can be advantageous for diversified portfolio construction. In conclusion, while it's possible to purchase Vanguard funds through Fidelity, it's crucial to weigh the associated costs and benefits. The transaction fees for Vanguard mutual funds can be a significant drawback, whereas Vanguard ETFs offer a fee-free alternative on Fidelity's platform. Alternatively, Fidelity's own funds provide competitive expense ratios and performance, potentially serving as suitable substitutes. Investors should carefully consider their investment objectives, the frequency of their transactions, and the specific funds they wish to invest in before making a decision. Conducting thorough research and, if necessary, consulting with a financial advisor can help ensure that your investment choices align with your financial goals.